Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe and share this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making ice cream, yogurt, banana smoothie. That's what I call it. Okay, I'm going to be I had I'm always in a craving to eat sugary stuff. So I thought if I mixed ice cream and yogurt and bananas, it will be a healthy smoothie. So that's what I did. And it's a sweet smoothie and it's a sweet snack. Actually, it's one of my favorites right now. So come along as I show you one of my favorite smoothies, okay? See you in the video. So here are the things that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 4 bananas. I'm going to be using a vanilla ice cream, and I'm going to be using this yogurt. But you can use any yogurt you want, any ice cream you want. That's just my preference. So I'm going to be blending 2 bananas with some scoops of ice cream and 2 bananas with the the yogurt, and then I'm going to be showing you how to set it on your glass so that it will look cute. So I chose this this yogurt because it has some chunks of the okay, I keep forgetting the strawberries. So it will be like a strawberry mix with the bananas. Okay, so my hands are clean. I'm going to be, peeling. These bananas are not 100% ripe, but they are ripe enough to be eaten. So I'm going to be starting with the ice cream. Oh, it may melt. So I'm going to be doing 2 scoops. That's enough to set 2 glasses. It's 2.5. So do that. Sweet though. So I'm going to be putting it inside there. With spoon. This is so, and then I'm going to blend. So now check your glasses. It's thick enough to do the job. We want something thick so that when we are setting the outer layer, so that it will blend with the pink. When you look at the glass, you'll be seeing the white and then the pink. So which one I connected? Let's connect even this one. You can do any pattern you want in it. So I'm going to be adding the 2 bananas and the yogurt, and then I'm going to be setting the other glass.
mbaya.
Sasa niache ipotelele chini. So I've put in my 2 bananas, as you can see. I didn't wash this because, you know, it's the ice cream and I'm not going to wash away the ice cream. So I'm going to be adding just a small amount just to make it look pinkish. That's enough. Okay? And I'm going to be covering that and then blending this out. It's good. It's tight. And then after I blend, I know that my bananas are now, you know, so I add more yogurt so that they can fit the cup, you know. The yogurt is the one that we're going to be using a lot of it. It's like the setting. My mouth is watering already. Sticky now. So let's continue with the setting. Oh, this one is really thick. This one is really thick, guys. There you go. And then we're going to do another spoon. Another spoon. Thank you. So that I can, you know, remove the rest of these. And then now to fill the glass, adding the yogurt. There it is. And then the next glass. There it is. Sorry. So yeah. I really need to, you know, how does it look? So guys, you have come to the end of this video, today's video, okay? So I'm going to be taking a scoop of this. So I've just cleaned up my, you know, my workstation. So I want to show you the first reaction after scooping out this. It's really good. When you scoop the yogurt and the side was the ice cream plus bananas. So when you scoop both, it's really good. You should try it and see. So guys, thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. If you really enjoyed the video, don't mind giving us a subscription and also like the video, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.